Run number 3 on the inside, the number 29, the winner of one of the heat races, Randy Thornell out of Calamasa. Next him, the 95D, that is Tom Davis out of Riverside, the winner of the other heat. In row number 4 on the inside, he has a win here this year. Ron Bartels out of Marina Del Rey. With him in that row, the number 58 car. That's the new guy, Derek Randall, Big Hoss out of Riverside. In the 5th row on the inside, another winner here this year, the 81, Ricky Lee. He's out of Beaumont. Starting next to Ricky, it'll be the number 25, Mike Hudson from Buena Park. Row number 6 on the inside, the 28, Terry Henson making his debut from Riverside. Then it's the number 30, Tom Weslowski out of Canyon Lake. And rounding out the field, the number 48, Blaine Whitson out of Temecula. And get mid, green flag. Oh, Talkington, the point leader. That wasn't good. Got sideways. We got a chaos. Talladega, 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 baby. Big tangle on the back straightaway. Get Med stopped back there. It looks like the guy from Central Valley has never been here before. Kaufman in that. And I like that car. Green flag. Oh, and they're doing it again. Davis gets him back into his buddy. Talkington turns. Them around, and they stop right in front of the hashtag Save Perris sign. Green flag. Thornell out front. Second spot, it is Bartels. Third spot, Lee. Fourth spot, side-by-side battle. Weslowski right behind Hudson. Everybody makes it through turn 3. Are they going to make it through turn 4? Are we going to get a lap in? Hallelujah! We get a lap in. And Thornell building a good-sized lead over Bartels. Boy, they come 3 abreast off turn number 2. Hudson running in 3rd. Now we got a pack of cars going for that 3rd place spot. Talkington up to 4th. Side-by-side battle with Ricky Lee for that position. And Henson stops on the front straightaway. We go yellow. Guys. Guys. Bartels running in second, side-by-side battle. Hudson in the 25, Talkington the 48T. That's for 3rd. And we put another lap in the books. Talkington trying to get a run on Bartels now. Bartels fights him off. Bartels, his son, and his father have all won main events here at Perris Auto Speedway. That's the 77 car running in 2nd. Talkington almost had Bartels, then he slid up the racetrack. And now Talkington does secure the 2nd place spot. up to the lap cars. Lap car. He saves it. If he keeps on rolling, we'll stay green. Got sideways, hit that inside berm. 7 down this time by. Thornell about a half straightaway in front of Talkington. Henson continues on, so we do stay green. Best battle on the racetrack right now. That's the battle for third, the number 77. That is Bartels. Talkington screws up in the corner, gets passed by 1-2 cars. He goes from second to fourth. That battle for third is now the battle for second, with Bartels and Hudson. Full straightaway lead now for Thornell. And we're halfway, 10 laps down, 10 laps to go. And Henson pulls it to the pit area. Battle for second, Bartels and Hudson. And Hudson steals a spot away. This is the strongest Hudson's ever looked here. Part of the reason being, if you know who Ronnie Meyer is, he has borrowed an engine from Ronnie Meyer in that 25 car, and you know that thing is strong when Meyer's name's on it. Talkington now working Bartels for third. And he takes the third spot away. Thornell crosses the start-finish line. 6 laps remaining. There'll be 5 to go this time by, and Thornell closing fast on a first-timer. That's Randall. And Randall slides it right up in front of the leader. Thornell gets by him on the back chute. That got exciting. There'll be 3 laps to go this time by. Talkington trying to go to the inside of Hudson. If he does, he would steal second spot away. Yeah, and he almost did it on the coming off 2, but he bobbled. White flag going to come out the next time by. Half-track lead for Randy Thornell, the convertible, the Chuck Becker, number 29. Last lap flag, 1 to go. Talkington has taken second away. Down the back straightaway, final time into turn number 3. Checkered flag going to come down. First time in the car. The victory goes to Randy Thornell. Second spot will be Tyson Talkington. Third goes to the 25, Mike Hudson. Fourth will be Bartels. Fifth, Ricky Lee. And I think sixth, Weslowski. And no time on that one due to the red and yellow flags. He's out of the race car. Make some noise for Randy Thornell. Tom?
Holy shnikes. That, you know, there is something about when you come across the finish line, you're sticking your arm up through the roof to wave to the crowd.
I figured they'd like that, being it's a convertible. We're going to use up the air advantage.
That got pretty crazy down there in the first few laps, didn't it?
First couple laps got a little tight, ain't going to lie. Yep.
No, we all saw it.
It got tight, real tight.
So this is the first time in this car?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He had Chuck went to a concert tonight, and he asked if I'd come out and drive it and tell him what I thought and make some changes, try to make it faster.
You going to make any changes to make it faster? Because it looked pretty damn fast.
I think there's a couple left. There's still some speed left in the car.
Wow.
So I think it's pretty good, though. They did a good job. Ray Estrada, he built the car. He did a great job. And, of course, I don't know any of Chuck's sponsors, so it's going to be hard to thank people. But Ferguson's Air Conditioning, Toyota Redlands, Huss Trucking, Carpet Station, BRT Racing Engines, that's me, and PRE 2.0, and then all my friends and family for coming out here tonight to watch me drive a convertible.
Put on a show.
Cool. I'm glad everybody liked it.
Thank you for coming out. Nice job.
Thank you for having me.
There he is.